HTTP post attack with THC hydra. As an additional example, we'll perform an HTTP post attack against our Windows Apache server using hydra. When an HTTP post request is used for user login, it is most often through the use of a web form, which means we should use the HTTP form post service module. We can supply the service name followed by -U to obtain additional information about the required arguments. From this output, we determine that we need to provide a number of arguments that will require us to perform some application discovery. First, we need the IP address and the URL of the web page containing the web form on our Windows client. We'll provide the IP address as the first argument to hydra. Next, we must understand the web form we want to brute force by inspecting the HTML code of the target web page. We can view the HTML by right-clicking the page and selecting View Page Source from the context menu. The form indicates that the post request is handled by frontpage.php, which is the URL we will feed to hydra. The hydra syntax requires the form parameters, which in this case are user and pass. Since we're going to attack the admin user login with a word list, the combined argument to hydra becomes the following, with pass acting as a placeholder for our word list file entries. We must also provide the condition string to indicate when a login attempt is unsuccessful. We can find this by attempting a manual login against the page. In our example, the web page returns the text, invalid login. Putting these pieces together, we can complete the HTTP form post syntax. The complete command can now be executed. We'll supply the admin username and RockU word list, request verbose output with -VV, and use -F to stop the attack when the first successful result is found. In addition, we'll supply the service module name and its required arguments. Although this required some investigation of the application, the result is worth it as we discovered a valid password. Let's verify that this is indeed the correct password. Excellent. Hydra successfully found the correct admin password for us. The other service modules included with Hydra are also well worth the effort to master.